Hi guys! Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to transcript text to audio using cohesive AI. So to start with, let us go to our Google Chrome in our mobile phone. Alright, and at the search engine, let's type cohesive.so. Alright, so there it is. And after that, we can now start logging in. We can tap the sign up or sign up for free. It is just the same. So let's tap this sign up for free and continue with Google to log in. And then after that one, after logging in, so we can now start using the cohesive AI, right? So let's say, for example, I'm a teacher and I have to make a speech for my students. So I will going to ask this cohesive AI to give me a, let's say for example, give me a farewell speech for my students. Okay, so give me a farewell speech for my students. So let's stop this go so that cohesive AI can give us a farewell speech. Right, so as you can see, cohesive AI is now writing. Alright, so since we are going to transcript this text into voice, so all we have to do, guys, is just to tap this AI voices. So just tap this, and after that one, guys, as you can see, there is a language here, English, and the name of the person. Alright, so we have here, a different voices. Let's say, for example, the voice of Aaron, okay, or the voice of Anthony or Dumi. Alright, so let's say, for example, we are going to use the voice of Rachel. And now, to transcript this voice or text into voice, we have to tap this generate. Okay, so let's wait for the cohesive AI generate this text. Alright, so now let's start playing this or hear this text. Alright, so as you can see, guys,
cherish those memories. You have made an impact on me that will stay with me forever.
Okay, so if you don't want the voice of Rachel, we can also change it into Ellie, this one. Okay, so tap generate. Same procedure, we have to wait. Alright, and let's play it.
Throughout the years, we have shared so many memories together, and I will always cherish those memories. You have made an impact on me that will stay with me forever.
Alright, so there we go. This is on how to transcript text into audio using cohesive AI. So, if you want to know on how to transcript text into voice, then that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to transcript text into voice using cohesive AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!